Have you ever pondered on the influence of the Nambardar Association Punjab in the social-political landscape of Pakistan? Now, that's a question that deserves attention. The Nambardar Association Punjab is a powerful body of local leaders, playing a pivotal role in shaping the community's future. Its influence is not just confined to the local level. It spans across the verdant plains of Punjab and stretches to every corner of Pakistan. This dynamic organization is a true reflection of the local leadership's potency. Recently, a significant meeting of the Nambardar Association Punjab took place. Let's delve into what transpired. The meeting was held at the Nambardar Secretariat Islamabad under the stewardship of former Agriculture Minister and President of the Nambardar Association of Punjab, Nambardar Syed Hussain Jahania Gardetzi. A plethora of esteemed leaders graced this meeting, each representing different regions, bringing to the table their unique perspectives and insights. Among them were General Secretary Nambardar Association, Punjab Nambardar Chaudhary Nazakat Ali, Deputy President Punjab Nambardar Syed Hasnain Shah Bukhari, and many more. Each participant played a crucial role in steering the conversation towards the pressing issues at hand. The discussion was rich and varied, delving into the complexities of the hereditary system and the implications of the Supreme Sharia Court's decisions. The meeting also focused on strengthening the bond among the Nambardar Association of Punjab and their allies. The resolve to address the challenges faced by the Nambardars was palpable. The meeting concluded with a unanimous agreement to accelerate the pace of connections to tackle the issues faced by the Nambardars. Former Agriculture Minister and President of the Nambardar Association of Punjab, Nambardar Syed Hussain Jahania Gardetzi, addressed the media post-meeting. He emphasized his dedication to serve the Nambardars, vowing to lead the association into a prosperous future. With a firm resolve, he expressed his intentions to dispel any misunderstandings among dissatisfied comrades, working tirelessly to unite them under the association's banner for the common good. Nambardar Syed Hussain Jahania Gardetzi concluded by expressing his hope to continue the tradition of service from where it had paused. The Nambardar Association, a grassroots powerhouse, holds the potential to bring change and improve lives at the local level. Your involvement and support can amplify this change, fostering a stronger, more vibrant community. Find out more about the Nambardar Association, their work, and how you can get involved. Because change begins at home, and home is where the heart is.